Hello lovely souls, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to make a gorgeous vintage inspired crochet book cover. So first we'll create a brown base, and for that we'll create a slip knot on our hook, and then we will chain as per the length of our book. So after making a foundation chain that matches the exact height of our book, we will move on to first row. And for the first row, we will make a standard half double crochet in each chain. Continue making a half double crochet across the row and chain one, and then turn the work. And now for row 2 and every row after, make sure you hook only into the back loop. Keep repeating this row until your piece is wide enough to wrap all the way around your flat open book, plus an extra 3 inches or 4 inches so we can fold inward to create a pocket of the book jacket. Also, I would suggest you to mark the first stitch of the row that you work on, because as you move further it would be hard for you to comprehend where your first stitch was, so I would suggest that. Here I am working in the very first stitch from the previous row, and it is quite difficult to get that, so do mark your first stitches. Now our brown rectangle is complete. Fold the left and right edges inward by an inch or a half or 2 inches. These will be our inside pockets. Thread your yarn needle with your brown yarn and just push your needle through both layers in a continuous spiral motion. Tie it off securely and hide those yarn tails inside the pocket. Our brown base is complete, and it is a very simple and monotonous task. Now we are moving to the interesting part. We are going to make a beautiful beige lace that will give our book a vintage look. For that we will do a magic ring first. And chain 3. And work 6 double crochet right into the center loop. After working double crochets, pull that tail tight so there is absolutely no hole left in the middle. Now we will chain 3 and we will increase our stitches to 14 by putting 2 double crochet in every single stitch. Now we'll count and we should have 14 stitches. And now for the third row we will first chain 4 Now we are going to make a grid pattern, and for that we will skip the first stitch and make a double crochet in the second stitch. After completing the double crochet, we will chain 1 and then move on to the next stitch and make a double crochet, then chain 1 and continue this pattern till the last stitch. Finishing the row, we'll chain 3. Now we'll turn our work and fill those gaps by making 2 double crochet in the gap. Now the 4 chains that we have made in the previous row, we will do a 1 double crochet in the third chain of those 4 chains and chain 1. Now for the 5th row, we anchor a single crochet, we chain 5, skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the third to make a floppy mesh arc. We'll continue making arch till the last stitch. Now for the last row, we'll turn those arches into gorgeous wavy scallops by filling each loop with a sequence of short, tall and short stitches. We'll make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, another half double crochet and a single crochet. So total 7 stitches. Fill the last arc, cut your yarn but leave a nice long tail for sewing. Now we'll attach our beige lace into the rectangular base and our book cover is ready.